Hi, my name is Victoria. I'm going to make sweet tea. Today I'm making rainbow cupcakes. Flour, salt, and baking powder. This one. Okay, let me get this. Large bowl, eggs. Let me move into you. Sugar. This one's heavy. I covered it. Vanilla. This kind. That looks like cinnamon. That looks like cinnamon. Just one little bit in there. Oh, a bit more. We have some lemon yet. Give it a brownie. Can I get a paper to help me? And almond. This one stinks. It's a little bit slippery. My hands are slippery. Until it gets going. Pick it up. Oh. Put it in. Push. Try ingredients. Yeah, that's it. Hey, Mom, get this. Put it in like this. Put it in. Now, put on the water. And milk and beans. Of it. That's the non-stove. My mommy added in oil. It's my favorite part, and that's what I'm going to go and do pink and purple, blue, and green onto this cup. That's the easy to enter this. 1, 2. There. Now purple out. That's pretty good. Yeah. Want to be really purplish. That's good. Now, is that enough to make purple? Put that one down. But now what do you? That's pretty easy. Then that also give it color. really funny, that one. These are my colors. I got pink, purple, blue, and green. I put a lot of these two eggs. Talk about that. And cupcake flowers. It's getting cooked and it's all ready to get in the oven, and also it's getting ready to get gobbled. And my cupcakes are getting ready to get gobbled up. I'm so hungry. Tastes so good. Thank you for watching my video, and I think comment down below if you hit the subscribe button. Do you like my baking show, or do you like